Hi, I'm George from digitalhighroad.com. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video or get any value out of it, please like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it. When you subscribe to it afterwards, hit the bell. That way you'll get updated every time I publish a new video to the channel. Anyway, let's continue. Hey, I was just thinking this morning about all the money I've spent since 2011 on products from online. And I've settled on, since April of 2019, I found one way to make money. It's what you're looking at right now. But let's look at some bookmarks I have. 2010 to 2011. Look at all these products, bookmarks for them. I picked up my activity. Even more there. Even more there. And then I started getting smarter and smarter. And this year you can see how few there are. But the thing is, I went to my Jvzoo account. How many of you have Jvzoo accounts? I bet a lot of you do. Look at this. Some of the purchases started back in 4/18/2012. Just look at these, from plugins to PDFs to training programs to video programs. Just look at all these. Some of these I decided not to keep. But look at this. This is going to go on for a long time. And I was thinking about all the money I wasted, all the time I wasted, all the hope I had, all the hope deferred. But now I've found the way out of this mess. And my way is now to go to one main way of making money. And that's what I want to talk to you about in my next video. We're going to do an evaluation of the product that I'm using now to make money online. And thanks for listening. Hope this meant something to you. Thank you. Bye.